Hey, my name is Thomas Campbell. I'm the owner of Pitmaster Essentials. Welcome to my kitchen. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my video. And if you're new, I want to welcome you. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. So today we're going to fire up the 14.5-inch Weber Smoky Mountain, and we're actually going to smoke some eggs for a barbecue egg salad. If you've never smoked eggs before, you're in for a treat. And I'm also going to show you how to make my homemade mayonnaise to go along with the egg salad. It is phenomenal, so stick around and I'll bring you in here a little bit closer and we'll get started. Okay folks, so this is the ingredients for my barbecue egg salad. I have 12 hard-boiled eggs. In addition to smoking the eggs, I'm going to use Butcher Barbecue Honey Rub for a little bit of a barbecue twist that's sweet. And then I'm going to use Butcher Barbecue Sweet Chipotle Rub for a little bit of heat on the back end. I have a full package of bacon that I've chopped up. I think it's about 8 ounces. I have 1.5 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1.5 tablespoons of yellow mustard, and then I have 2 celery stalks. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to chop up the celery stalks real quick. You can chop these or you can mince them, whatever you want to do. I like mine a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to chop them like this. Okay folks, so the one ingredient that I don't have listed out here for the barbecue egg salad is mayonnaise. So to make mayonnaise is very simple. I mean, if you've never made mayonnaise before, you're going to be blown away by how simple this is. I have 1 cup of avocado oil. You can also use light olive oil if you want. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. We're just going to take our olive oil, pour it into the jar. Okay, next we're going to go with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, next we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Next is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And last but not least, 1 egg. Okay folks, I want to bring you in here a little bit tighter. So this is where the magic happens. I'm going to be using an immersion blender. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a food processor. But basically, you just take your immersion blender, stick it in the bottom, and then we're going to run this for maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And you want to keep your immersion blender on the bottom while we're doing this, and you'll see everything just start to turn into mayonnaise. So here we go. Okay folks, so there you can see, after about a minute and a half, we have mayonnaise. Very, very simple. And just like that, we have avocado mayonnaise that is just absolutely amazing. Okay, let's get these eggs on the smoker. Now the Weber Smoky Mountain is going to do its thing. So we're going to give these about 30 minutes and I'll bring you back and we'll see how they're coming along. Okay folks, welcome back. So it's been a half an hour and I think that's about all the smoke I want to put on these eggs because I don't want a ton of smoke on them. As you can see, Weber Smoky Mountain, dead on, almost 200. That's exactly where I want to be. So let's take a look at them and see how they're coming along. Now those look phenomenal. Now that's how you smoke an egg right there. I'm going to grab one of these and bring it a little bit closer. So that's what you want right there. See how it's turning a little brown, a little yellow. And on the bottom you got a little bit of char from the grate. That's going to take that egg salad to the next level. Okay, so I'm going to take these off of here and then I will meet you in the kitchen here in a few minutes. Okay, so now back to making our barbecue egg salad. So this is a trick that I've seen from Susie from Hey Grill Hey, so be sure to go over there and give her some love. She has one of these, I guess they're a baking or resting grate, and she puts that over her bowl, and this is how that she chops up her eggs. So we're going to take one of these eggs, again, just absolutely fantastic. That little bit of char down there from the grate, these are going to be so good. But what she does is she puts it on top of this and then just presses down. Just like that, and it cubes up your egg. So again, just taking an egg, put it on top, press down, push forward, just like that. Whenever I seen her do that, I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so awesome. So like I said, I got that from Susie from Hey Grill Hey. So thank you, Susie, if you ever watch this video. That is a great tip. All right, so now we have all of our eggs cubed up. Fantastic way to do it. Okay, so here is our delicious avocado mayonnaise that we made. I'm using about 3/4 of a cup. I'll have the recipe down below for all of this. But this stuff is just so creamy. I mean, just absolutely incredible. And you've seen how easy it was, just a few simple steps. So again, using the 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. Okay, so next, we're doing 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. I'm sorry, that was 1½ tablespoons of yellow mustard. Okay, next we're going with 1½ tablespoons of our sweet relish. Next we have 2 celery stalks. Next we have 1 package, roughly 8 ounces of bacon, fried and chopped up. Okay, and our final 2 ingredients, for just a little hint of barbecue, we're gonna have a little bit of butcher barbecue honey rub. I'm not gonna measure this, but I'm gonna say probably about a tablespoon. About like that. So we got our little bit of sweet. And then I'm also gonna use butcher barbecue sweet chipotle rub to put a little bit of heat on the back end. Probably about the same, about a tablespoon. Now we're gonna mix it up. Okay folks, so I got the barbecue egg salad all mixed up. I have a croissant here that we're gonna put it on. And I cannot wait to get into this. We're gonna load it up. That homemade mayonnaise in there, it's so creamy. It smells so good, I'm just so hungry right now. I can't wait to get into it. There we go. Okay, barbecue egg salad with homemade avocado mayonnaise. Cannot go wrong with this. Cannot wait to get into it, so here we go. All right, folks, I had to wipe off my mouth because it was just kind of going everywhere, but you talk about a phenomenal sandwich with a touch of smoke on those eggs from the Weber Smoky Mountain, with the butcher barbecue honey rub, and also that butcher barbecue sweet chipotle, and to top it all off with our homemade mayonnaise. It's just a great sandwich. Also that little bit of bacon in there, that's spot on. If you don't put bacon in your egg salad, you gotta give that a try. All right, so with all that being said, thank you for watching the video this far. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, Pitmaster Essentials is where flavor meets smoke, and I'll see you in the next one.